Sine formula. In this module, you will learn about the sine formula. Consider a triangle with length of the sides A, B and C units and length of the altitude from point C on AB as H units. Formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 the product of length of its side and the height of the perpendicular to this side. Thus, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 CH. Let us assume that one of the base angles of the triangle is alpha. In triangle ACD, the trigonometric ratio sine alpha is equal to H upon B. This implies that H is equal to B sine alpha. Substituting this value of H in the expression for area of triangle ABC, we get its area as 1/2 into C into B sine alpha. Thus, the area of this triangle is equal to 1/2 of the product of its sides and sine of the angle formed between them. This result is true for every triangle. If the other two angles of a triangle ABC are beta and gamma, then its area can be calculated by these expressions. Comparing the first two expressions and dividing both the sides by sine alpha, sine beta, you get B upon sine beta is equal to A upon sine alpha. Comparing the last two expressions and dividing both the sides by sine beta, sine gamma, you get C upon sine gamma is equal to B upon sine beta. The two equalities help us to derive that A upon sine alpha is equal to B upon sine beta is equal to C upon sine gamma. Now if you draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC, the circumcenter represented by point O is the center of the circle. Let us assume that the radius of the circle is r. If you join OA and OB, you will obtain an isosceles triangle OAB. Since OAB is an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular bisector of AB and the bisector of angle AOB will coincide with each other, as the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. Angle AOB is twice angle gamma, which further implies that angle AOD is equal to angle BOD is equal to gamma. Considering triangle AOD, we get sine gamma is equal to C upon 2R, which implies C upon sine gamma is equal to 2R. Since A upon sine alpha is equal to B upon sine beta and is equal to C upon sine gamma, we finally get A upon sine alpha is equal to B upon sine beta is equal to C upon sine gamma is equal to 2R. This equation is known as sine formula. In this module, you have learnt that the ratio of length of any side of a triangle to sine of an angle opposite to it is always a constant. The constant value is always equal to the diameter of the circumcircle of the triangle.